Hello guys, welcome to my third trimester vlog. As it would happen, as fate would have it, my hands have just completely swollen. This is not, I don't think this is a third trimester symptom. I think this is because it's freezing in here. And I can't take my, not that I want to, but my engagement ring is stuck. So opening the vlog with that, give the video a thumbs up if you are here for all of the third trimester content. Currently mid-April, my birthday's in a few days, and we've had a few deliveries come. One of those, very exciting, is baby girl's pram, so I'm going to be unboxing that, as well as I think one of the gifts from our baby registry or wish list on Amazon. Subscribe if you're new, if you're not already subscribed, and let's get into this vlog. I'm going to start off though by giving you guys a bump shot. Really starting to poke out now. She is kicking hard, like she's not holding back. I've got some weird stain on here, but yeah, don't mind that. But that's the bump shot. That's how we're looking. But first things first, and most exciting things first, let's get into these parcels. So I'm going to open the random one that I don't know what it is first. I just need to grab some scissors from downstairs, and then I'll be right with you. Back a little flustered, a little more flustered than before, but we have figured out the different attachments. So this, oh, the brakes on. Okay, so this is the pram. Although the wheels are not moving. The wheel's not turning now. Is it the floor on it? No, the brakes are off. Ah. Yeah, okay. Right. Had the steering lock on. Okay, so this is it with the stroller attachment. I will show you it with the hood on. So, it comes with, as I say, the stroller seat. Which comes with this hood. So the hood you can use on the carry cot and the stroller seat, and it just slides in like this. Nice and easy. And then it zips up to attach properly, like so. FYI, if you're ordering anything from MAMAS and PAPAS, I'd recommend that you go on YouTube first to look at how to switch between the different attachments, because my gosh, the instructions are not easy to follow. So yeah, so this is it with the hood. Let me bring you guys in a bit closer. So it actually comes with a little peephole, so you can look down there, see how baby's doing. But if you don't want to use the peephole, you can zip that right away. And then it's just fold the flaps over so it's a bit more seamless. It's got the Mamas and Papas logo on here. Don't know if you can see that. Just make sure that C is all the way back. But yeah, it's quite nice. So this is the stroller attachment. It's really pretty. You can have the seat like flat up, or you can use these buttons at the side to point it down, which is quite nice. And then it's got all your babies. It's got this back so you can see it properly. All the babies like seat belts and whatnot. Actually haven't practiced untying these. Okay, so it'll just pop off that nicely. So baby is nice and secure. Comment down below if you've got a Mamas and Papas stroller or something similar. Be curious to know what you guys think of it. But this one folds down quite well. So the way in which you do it is there is a button on the back, this silver button here. So you lift that up and then you point the seat down, and then the handle goes down as well. So you literally press the silver button. I don't know if you can see it. This silver button here. Press that, and then you tilt it down, and then the handle goes all the way down. You can see that. And then you simply pick up the handle here, and you can carry it like that. It is very heavy, so I can only imagine what the model above this, which is the Ocaro, how heavy that is. But yeah, pretty darn heavy. But very compact for storage purposes. Now I'm not going to lift that too much. What I'm going to do is bring the handle back. Oops. Okay. I'll take the safe to take the. Then it's got this like thing at the side which allows you to keep it nice and compact. So I'm going to take that off. I'm going to bring back my handle. Pull this up. Oh no. What have I done? Okay, I'm going to put that back. So the lady actually flipped it. Okay, cool. There is a more slick way of doing that, but I haven't quite mastered it yet. So that is the stroller seat. We probably won't be starting off with that because it should be very small. You just press buttons 1 and 2 and lift. Okay, so then we have the, ooh, I need the hood. We've got the carry-cot attachment, which is definitely the one that we'll be starting with. So it just looks like that. And this flap is also detachable, so you could put it on the stroller attachment as well. But for the purposes of demonstration, let's just put this on first. So everything slots in quite easily. This also came with a little handlebar, which we put on like so, to make sure it clicks in. And it's quite, you couldn't see any of that, could you? Okay, so I've just put the handlebar on, and then this is the little blankie thing. Also came with a rain cover, but that is another job for another day. Also came with adapters for car seats, and this is for the Strada car seat. Strada adapters for Cybex or Maxi Cozy car seat. And we're going to go for a Maxi Cozy car seat, so it's good to know that those fit on. So the hood slots quite nicely on using this like sliding mechanism. So if I remember how to do it correctly, so you just slide it on. There's little latches over here, and then voila. And then this also has a peeping hole, but let me zip it on first. It's easier. It's easier to show you once it is. And the hood actually gives it the structure that I think I was complaining about before. Okay, so that just covers down there. Again, little peeping hole there, so you can see how babies, or people from the front can see baby. But we want to give her her privacy, don't we? So I'll probably most likely have her closed unless it's a really sunny day and, you know, she kind of wants a sunroof effect. Is that a safety issue? I don't know, but comment down below if you guys use that. But yeah, this is what it looks like. This is the view from inside, so you can get a good look. Hood up. Oh, and the other thing I wanted to show you is it came with a drinks cup, but I'm not sure where this goes. It looks like it goes, it goes on here, just like that. Is it the other side? Still on this side. Okay, so mummy can balance her beverages in here. Baby's happy and healthy in here, and that's that. So I had a couple of other packages arrive, which hopefully I've got enough memory to unbox with you guys. I'll get the first one. I think this might be one of our gifts from the baby registry. Ah, yes, it's a little baby play gym. So it just looks like that. I won't unbox it just yet. I'll kind of leave it in its container. I think this might be the Moses basket. Yes, it is. Oh, this is too adorable. Might be able to make this. So it just looks like that. I believe it has a stand that it came with. Looks like that. We're going to take that downstairs. That's from one of hubby's friends. So if you're watching, Alan and Olivia, thank you. Yeah, thank you so much. We really appreciate it. So yeah, if anybody is watching who has sent a gift that I have unboxed either in this vlog or the last one, probably the last one, thank you so much. No, sorry. Where are my manners? I need to show you guys what came in the post. So these items are from my brother. Actually no, this was from my friend Claudia. So it's just this lovely baby gown with these cute ears, and at the back it says "Dream Big, Little One." So thank you, Claudia, for that. From my brother we got some Nala's baby bundle. It just comes with a body wash, moisturising bag, and I'm going to keep all her bits in this cute little wash bag, and we're going to keep that in her cupboard for her. So he also gifted us these two books. This one is called Guess How Much I Love You by Sam McBratney, which I also had on the list, and then this lovely one called I Love Me by Marvin Harrison, who is the founder of Dope Black Dads. It says it's her first book to build confidence and self-esteem. So yeah, wanted her to have like a range of different books, and books with like animations of kids that look like her. So yeah, so that's those two. And he also got us Uncle Ruben. He's spoiling us. This super cute bath towel, which just has a hood and it's just nice and big, so we can wrap her in this after bath time. He said he's going to do the bath time routine. We'll see about that. But yeah, that is everything that we've got so far. The next clip will be us headed to Champneys for our baby moon / birthday getaway for me. It's my birthday on Saturday, so we are spending the night. We've got some massages, got lunch, probably gonna, you know, have a little swim in the pool as well. Speaking of which, I need to find a swimming costume that fits me. But yeah, it's just going to be a really nice weekend, and then I've got a couple of days off work booked for next week, so that I can have a nice long little rest. So yeah, I'm going to go downstairs and take some of these things down with me, and yeah, just get Daddy to build them. Yeah. Okay, guys, see you later. See you. So sorry guys, correction. So the Moses basket was from Alan and Olivia. The baby play gym is from Uncle Jason. So I very much doubt they watch my videos, but if you guys do, thank you so much. We love you lots. Bye. Hey guys, happy Saturday. It is 11:30 and we're heading off to Champneys. We are headed to the Eastwell Manor venue in Kent. I think it's in Ashford. And I'm all packed and ready to go. So I've got on these sunnies from Temu. This top is probably Zara or H&M, something like that. I've got on some what do you call them, like gym trousers, and then I've just tied this hoodie around my waist. I'm going to put a denim jacket on and some slides, and then I've got all my luggage down here. So yeah, just need to grab a quick bit of breakfast, jump in the car and then head right on down there. So I also, just before we leave, wanted to show you guys the Moses basket setup. Built it myself. But yeah, just comes with this nice little blankie thing, the handle so you can like take it off the stand. It needs a little bit of a steam, but it is ready for baby girl. Okay, we actually have party of 3, over and out. Arrived. Relaxation loading. Okay, so I'm just in the change rooms. To put my gown on, my swim cozy. Got our spa access, and then we're going to get to the pool and go for lunch. No, I went in there. Oh. And then I couldn't see you. So we headed out of the spa, and we're just going to lunch now. Had a lovely little swim, very short one though, and I just did my feet in the jacuzzi just a little, but yeah.
Oh.
Come on in. Bag storage area over here, and mirror. Got a nice desk. You can write love letters to. Oh, it doesn't open. Write love letters to your loved ones. We have a super big. Oh, got some storage in here. Ironing board, hairdryer.
Iron essential.
For some, yes. Got a lovely big double bed. Perfect for two. What else do we have over here? More storage. Lovely little seating area over here. This is very comfy. For the lady of the manor, sit down and survey the grounds and the loyal subjects. You know, plan what she's going to do to take over and conquer over there. Nice little mirror for selfies over here. And got a nice light over here, don't know how to turn it on. It's lovely. And then we've got a view of the manor grounds. Just zoom over to the left. You can see the rolling countryside hills. 43-inch TV screen here, smart.
It's about 50, 60, mate, 50.
That's 43.
Yeah.
And a coffee station for those that like to engage in a bit of caffeine. Sadly, not me. Oh, luxury hot chocolate there. We'll be tucking into this later. That is our room.
What about the bathroom?
Oh, say the best to the last. The bathroom, ladies and gentlemen, in a spa, all in its own. You've got double step access, lovely WC over here, compartment royal behind, and then you step down into this absolutely stunning bathroom. Got a freestanding tub, which is roomy enough for one pregnant lady, and then a lovely freestanding sink with fantastic lighting, I must say. Love, love, love the hardware in here. It's very traditional, but you know, if you're a big lad, there's also a double shower. Things you can do in here. Get clean. Get clean.
Get your mind out, mate.
Elemis bath products, so you can revitalise and cleanse under this gorgeous waterfall shower, this lovely marble setting. So, I mean, you haven't got to go home, ladies and gentlemen, but you've got to get the hell out of here. We are chilling. And that will be all from us, from Champions. We will see you at dinner. Off for dinner. Hello guys, so sorry I'm vlogging on my phone because my camera has just stopped working or I've run out of memory, but we've just got back to the room. It's a bit of a stay at the moment. But dinner was lovely. Did I film? I think I took pictures. I'll put them like right here. And we actually had a food allowance as well with our room, so that was good. I think we had like £35 each for dinner, so that was nice. Lunch was free. Oh, did he? So this guy left the iron on. So yeah, you actually get quite a decent bit when you book to stay here, so that's good to know. We are just going to settle down in bed. It's, God, what time is it? It's like 9 o'clock. We're so old. I'm going to settle down in bed. Hubby's just gone to get fiance has just gone to get some what's it called, snacks. So we're going to watch a movie. Sorry, I just need to close the curtains so I can freely vlog. Not that we're overlooking anything, to be fair. I just love the vibe in this room though. It's like super cozy, super like old school. It's an absolute tip because we've got our stuff like thrown everywhere. But like, it's just very Bridgerton. Yeah, so he's gone to get some snacks, some like popcorn and stuff. Then yeah, we're gonna settle down, watch a movie. I might even make a hot chocolate. Yeah, we kind of just got time to kill tonight, and then tomorrow we're gonna get up early. We're gonna go for breakfast at 9, and then we both have massages at 10 for an hour, and then yeah, then it's checkout at 11. So I think after we've like checked out and packed the car, sorry, I'm gonna perch you guys in there. Yeah, after we've checked out and parked the car, then we are going to just walk around the grounds and just see what it looks like, because you know they do hold weddings here, so it's worth a look. But yeah, it's just been a lovely stay. The room is amazing, so spacious. I don't know if you can get the full scope of it, but yeah, so spacious. Had a lovely bath in here earlier. Put the light on. And like, oh my god, I need a tub like this in my house. Love the sink too. So yeah, okay, last thing from me, but one thing that I absolutely love about this place are these robes. So comfy, so warm. Yeah, it's a £25 surcharge if you put them in your suitcase, but I think I'll pay it because I'd actually love to show you what they look like. But it's just so lush, so lush. I've also tidied up the room a little bit, just so I can give you guys a proper look around at this space. But yeah, these robes, beautiful. This one's coming home with me for sure. Also wanted to show you my outfit from tonight. So I'm wearing this necklace, which I got from Cape Verde. It's still a bit tangled now, but there's that. I've got these earrings, which I picked up. I don't know if you can see this one from Temu. This dress is Amazon. It's just like a simple white dress, but it's nice and roomy. And then I've got my, if you can see it, oops, Jacquard original, and some bangles, and then I had some like slides on from these shoes. From Primark. By the way, my belly button has fully popped out, so that's also happening. But yeah, baby girl has thoroughly enjoyed our stay, and I'm going to be really sad to leave tomorrow, actually. We've really enjoyed last day here so far, and we haven't even had like any of the treatments. All in all, just enjoying this little birthday getaway. Oh, it's also my birthday. I'm turning 36 today, or turned 36 today, and yeah, I think this is exactly how I would want to spend my day. So yeah, I'm just gonna chill here, wait for him to get back with the snacks, and then we're gonna enjoy a movie and probably fall asleep at some point during it. Baby girl has also enjoyed. She has been kicking away, so I think she loved my dinner choice. I went for the crab and prawn linguine, and then he had the just like the burger and like the triple cooked chips, which were yum. So yeah, that is us signing out from Champneys, and we'll probably see you tomorrow at breakfast. We are dressed and headed down for breakfast. Quick OOTD. ASOS jumpsuit, Primark shoes, Zara denim jacket, Zara shirt, and these sunnies from Temu. So we're just gonna have a quick, well, it's not gonna be quick, it's gonna be a full-on meal, and then head over to our massages, and then we're out of here.